Hi everyone! Welcome again to Honey's Kitchen. Our recipe for today is Mongolian beef. It's quick and easy, and if you would like to know how I made it, please keep watching. For this recipe, we need a half kilogram of clean beef cut into strips and dried, 4 teaspoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger finely chopped, 6 pieces garlic cloves finely chopped, 1/4 cup of soya sauce, 1/4 cup of water, half cup of brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 2 spring onion finely sliced. So if you didn't catch up the ingredients, I will link it all in the description below. So after you washed and dried all your beef, you toast the garlic powder and make sure it's coated evenly. And then you put all your cornstarch. You mixed it properly that all the meat is coated with the cornstarch. And then you shake it off to remove the excess cornstarch from your meat. So this will look like this. And then we'll go to the next step. Our first step is to cook the beef. So I put the pan in a high heat and then put about like a tablespoon of oil. And then cook your beef strips. Make sure it's separated. Do not put a lot in the pan. And you just cook it quickly for about 2 minutes that it's golden brown. You don't have to worry when it's not properly cooked because we will cook it later with the sauce. So you don't have to cook all together in one, you have to do it by batch. Like just enough that you can manage to flip and make it like a golden brown like this. And then you take it out. And then you put another batch, a little bit of oil. Make sure your flame is hot. So we're gonna cook this all together. So our last batch of meat is done. You move your temperature to medium. And in the same pan, you cook the sauce. The oil that I use this is different from the oil I mentioned earlier. So you have another set of oil on the side. So I put it in a medium heat. And then we put our oil. And then you start with the ginger, because ginger takes a little bit longer to cook. Make your ginger a little bit golden brown. So the flavor will go out when you cook your ginger properly. So if you have ginger, make sure you do the ginger first in all your spices. When your ginger is brownish, golden brown, you add your garlic. And again, you cook it until it becomes nice and golden. Then add your soya sauce. Your water, and put your fire in a low to medium, and your sugar. Mix it properly and let it boil. So once your sauce mixture is boiling, then you add the beef that you lightly cooked earlier. Then add your pepper flakes. Pepper flakes is optional. If you don't like spice, you can remove the pepper flakes, or if you like more spice, you can add more pepper flakes. Let it simmer for a little bit until the sauce gets a little bit thicker and the beef will cook a little bit inside. But do not overcook it, because you're gonna burn your sauce. Just lightly thicken the sauce, and you will feel also that the beef is cooked. And then finally, turn off the heat, and then we garnish with our spring onion. And we're done. Hope you're gonna like it. Try it at home. It's so easy and simple, and I guarantee it's really tasty. So if you're gonna make your own, comment in the comment section below how it turns out. And thank you again for watching, guys, and see you on my next video.